Start the round of questions. मेरे ऑफिस के Gen Z जनता ने
हाँ
कुछ chits भेजी हैं. These are not
अच्छा.
my questions. I'd like you guys to pick one each.
Okay.
And
Thank you. Yeah, if you could invent a holiday, when would it be and what would it be for? I think हर महीने के संडे के बाद जो मंडे आता है उस दिन छुट्टी होनी चाहिए.
खूनी मंडे होना ही.
खूनी मंडे. सो ये जो मंडे के ब्लूज एंड वोज हैं, हर महीने में एक मंडे आप ऑफ ले सकते हैं ताकि संडे की बेइज्जती कम हो.
और भी आप कंपनी चालू करो तो मुझे हायर करो.
बिल्कुल जरूर.
Okay, if the world was ending in an hour, what would you do? बहुत difficult है क्योंकि एकदम बहुत सारी चीजें जो लाइफ में करनी है, but of course I'll run back to my state. I'll go to my favorite place in Uttarakhand.
Wow.
And I want to die with lots of sweets, eating sweets, and then I want to die.
Perfect. Excellent.
What traits a person should have to be your friend? I think just be genuine and try not to be boring.
Recent 3 things in your YouTube search history. Movie trailers and I watch news and Business Insider. Just leave it on.
Okay.
So I just look for a new one. I don't know.
New one what?
New episodes of
New
Business
episodes of
Insider and first post by Palki Sharma Upadhyay. Every day. I don't know why. Let's just
Nice.
Oh, it's on one more round.
one more round. Okay. And did you put it inside this? I think I did. I took some steroid.
Can you just stop?
Oh my god, I have a paragraph.
वो जो सैम उसने कहा था ना इंटरेस्टिंग, वो डायलॉग फिनिश कर रहा था कि आप
ट्रेलर में है ना, वो
हाँ.
बोलता है
वो अपना he was being an actor.
You're still there. What is in your shit?
Okay.
Go back to
Kushal.
your. Let's
What
finish
is? I think we should start from Hima actually.
Yeah? Okay. So, if you won a lottery worth billions, what would be the most bizarre thing you would spend it on? I would. I am a very green energy person,
Okay.
and I would shut down. I don't know. I would spend. I think I would stop this oil business. You know,
Yeah.
the hunger, the greed for
Wow.
oil, war behind oil. I would spend billions of money on another source of energy,
No.
green energy, and stop all the war and all that. I don't know.
Yeah.
That is one
Nice.
thing.
But that's
World
not
peace.
bizarre.
Super. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
that's not
Yeah.
bizarre.
It's bizarre because I've not come up with the thing,
Yeah.
but I would like to spend
If
on
you
that.
could swipe lives with an actor, who would it be and why? I would say Daniel Day-Lewis.
Oh yeah.
What?
I-
You're Jack Nicholson.
Also, but swipe lives वो है,
अच्छा.
क्योंकि वो जैसे जीता है ना his life. He works अपने तरीके से, whatever he likes, the kind of prep he goes into for each and every character.
Yeah.
I would love to have that kind of luxury,
Yeah,
you
he
know,
takes a
कि
lot of
अभी
time on it.
मुझे character मिला है for next 1.5 years, I would just go and work on my character and just be away from everyone and everything and just focus on your craft. That would
And
be nice.
today, like how he is retired also,
Yeah.
to make that choice.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay, a director you want to work with and would not hesitate reaching out to. For me, it will be Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
मैं बोलने वाला था, मुझे पता था.
I am a Kathak dancer. I was like, please sir, मेरी किसी कला को उपयोग में ले लीजिए. I will save your time and energy and money on the choreography. So please take me for your next project if
I
you're
hope Sanjay
listening
sir
it.
will
So yeah, I'm manifesting also. It's
Inshallah.
888.
Yes,
That's
yes,
really
inshallah.
should happen.
Definitely. Kusha.
What is the most unusual thing you have googled? पता नहीं ब्रेक्सिट के बाद से मैं बार बार ये देखती रहती हूँ कि यूके इज अ पार्ट ऑफ यूरोप और नॉट. मुझे पता नहीं, विश्वास नहीं होता है. मैं बार बार कहीं भी फ्लाइट में भी बैठी होंगी, मैं इज यूके अ पार्ट ऑफ यूरोप. तो बीमारी है कोई.
कुशा यू वेरी एंटरटेनिंग, यू वेरी एंटरटेनिंग,
But
वो आपके कोर में है।
ऐसा
Yeah.
होता है ना, ब्रेक्सिट के बाद
Correct,
से
correct,
मैं
correct.
कंफ्यूज्ड रहती हूँ। लंदन में बैठ के भी मैं यही गूगल कर रही थी।
But hey, it's a given fact that they are not part of European Union now.
Yes,
Yeah.
but I don't know why I just keep
You know, it's
confusing.
like you're looking for is Sri Lanka a part of Asia?
Yeah.
This is what you're doing. It's bizarre. This is the most bizarre.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Mukti Mohan, and you're watching Mamarazzi.
Hi everyone, this is Divyendu and you are watching Mamarazzi.
Hi, I'm Arushini Shank and you're watching Mamarazzi.
Hi, I'm Kusha and you're watching Mamarazzi.